Hello! Today we are bridging the gap between sim racing and RC cars. Welcome to RCSIM project. Hey, I'm Mateusz and I spent last 2 years building RCSIM. It's an open core ecosystem bridging the gaps between sim racing and RC models. It's powered by ground control station and mobile control station when you are on the track. Today I will show you the entire stack. Why build this when other robotic platforms already exist? Because most of them are just drone flight controllers forced into ground vehicles, or heavy academic frameworks that takes several weeks to configure. RCSIM is missing link. It's designed for the ground-up specification of surface robotics, sim racing integration, and edge AI without bloatware. Before we touch hardware, we need to speak about safety. When you're driving heavy RC cars, things can go wrong. That's why RCSIM have failsafe hard-coded into the every single tier. If the signal drops for even a fraction of the second, the hardware watchdog physically cuts the signal to the motor. And the ultimate safety is the master kill switch. By just pressing the spacebar, it instantly overrides all the signals and you are always in absolute control. Let's start simple. What you will need? Just Arduino or Raspberry Pi 2, plug-in into your trainer port, power up your RC car, arm the system, and now you can control your RC model, the ESP32 in CAM edition, combined with the PCA, servo driver, and IMU gyroscope. This setup streams basic FPV video over the Wi-Fi back to the PC and captures real-time G-forces. RCSIM routes this IMU data directly into SimHub. Your sim racing wheel will now generate real force feedback based on the actual terrain your RC car is driving over. What if you already have ExpressLRS, transmitter, and receiver? RCSIM ecosystem allow you to connect it to ground control station and use it with any controller available on the market. Now let's move on to heavy machinery. This is our ultimate goal. It's based on the Raspberry Pi connected via VPN with the GPS, servo controller, IMU, camera, and NPU for HAI. And thanks to the RCSIM plug-and-play architecture, adding custom drivers for new sensor takes only few lines in the Python. For sure, you will ask, what about the vision? our first-person view.
Hello!
You can use 3 different types of cameras. The cheapest one is based on ESP32 camera edition. You can use this one as a controller of your RC car. The second one is camera mounted directly to the Raspberry Pi. And the third one is just FPV system, same as you are using for drones or RC planes, like this Walksnail Ascent Lite. This one you can connect with the computer via HDMI cable capture card. Just plug it into your computer and vision will be available in ground control station. Also, you can use those cheap gimbals from AliExpress to control movement of your camera for better lookout.